Lecture 2, Sources of Law, by Faryad Ali Ghumman, Advocate High Court, Director, Jinnah Law Academy, Sialkot. Introduction. In this lecture, we will study the sources of law. The term sources of law means the origins or foundations from where laws are made or developed. Understanding these sources helps us understand how the legal system is built. 1. Custom. Custom is the oldest source of law. When people follow a particular practice for a long time, and it becomes accepted by society, it turns into law. A custom must be ancient, continuous, reasonable, and not against any written law. For example, some family or tribal customs are still followed in many regions. 2. Judicial precedent. This refers to decisions made by courts in previous cases. When a similar case arises, courts follow earlier decisions. This is also called case law. There are 2 types of precedents. Binding precedent, which must be followed by lower courts. Persuasive precedent, which can be followed if the judge finds it useful. 3. Legislation. Legislation means laws made by the parliament or other authorities. It is the most powerful and modern source of law today. There are 2 types. Supreme legislation, made by the central parliament, such as acts. Subordinate legislation, made by bodies under parliament's authority, such as rules or regulations made by ministries. 4. Equity. Equity means fairness or justice. Sometimes, strict application of the law can be unfair. In such cases, equity steps in to provide a fair decision. For example, giving an injunction to stop someone from causing harm. 5. International law. International law deals with rules and agreements between countries. Some of these rules become part of national law. For example, human rights treaties and environmental agreements. 6. Writings of legal scholars. These include books, articles, and commentaries written by experts in law. They are not binding, but judges often refer to them for guidance. These writings help understand complex legal principles. Conclusion. So, the sources of law include customs, judicial precedents, legislation, equity, international law, and writings of legal scholars. Together, they form the base of the legal system and help it grow and adapt to society's needs.